Let's convert this presentation into editable Word file. First, change the theme to a simple white background. For this, go to Design and select the white theme. Next, go to File and select Save As. Select the location to save the file. Here, in Save As type, select PDF and click on Save. Now right-click on that PDF file. Select Open With and click on Word. Word will open the PDF and convert it into an editable Word document.